G is for goat, climbing up high. H is for hat you wear on your head. Oh my. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. With Milo and Léo, learning is a treat. G-H-I, learn with Milo. J-K-L, repeat with Léo. Step by step, the letters we know. With Milo and Léo, watch us grow. J is for jump, so high in the air. K is for kite, flying everywhere. L is for